What if there was a way to strengthen your self-control through exercise? And not only strengthen it in the area of your health and fitness, but in every other aspect of your life through exercise. What would that mean to you and to your goals? I believe exercise is the ideal arena in which to not only change your body, but to change your entire life. This is still strength training. The difference is, this is the only kind of strength training in which you can become stronger as an act of will. Hi, I'm Korey Samuelson. I'm a cognitive strength training coach. And over the course of these 5 videos, I'm going to share with you how you can increase and develop your self-control through exercise. By the end of this video series, you will know how to improve this one aspect of your life that makes all the difference in every other aspect. You're going to learn how to make the excellent choice in the moment. In order to change your life, you need to do more than just think about it or imagine the possibilities. You need to take action. The thing is, it needs to be action that moves you in the direction that you want to go. And this takes practice. More specifically, it takes a particular kind of practice. This is the kind of practice in which you can make progress on purpose, simply by choosing to make progress. Progress and being aware of the progress that you're making is super important. And it's actually one of the main ways that you stay motivated. When you become aware of the progress that you are making because of the choices that you are making, because of your own effort, that is what really drives you to move forward. Because you are going to know that it's because of the choices that you're making that you're actually moving forward. It doesn't become some kind of mystery or, fingers crossed, I hope I do this. It's actually going to be an act of your will. So I mentioned that exercise is the arena in which I believe is the most useful, the most effective arena to learn these skills. And I have several reasons that I'm going to share with you why I say that. The first thing that you need to realize is that when you exercise, you are actually not training the body. You are training the mind. And this isn't just a matter of semantics here. The body can only be conditioned. So for example, if I'm lifting weights and I do it enough, my hand is going to develop calluses. And you may have found this for yourself. These circumstances that the body responds to are introduced either by chance or by your choice. But as far as how the body adapts to what's introduced, you don't get to choose that. That's up to the body. It's going to do what it does. It digests food. It heals wounds. It feels fatigue and goes to sleep. It wakes up. These are things that the body just does naturally. How you decide to think, that is where you get to influence what's going on in the body. So that's the first distinction that I want you to take on board. When you are exercising or doing anything physical, you are not training the body, you are conditioning the body, but you are training your mind. Hardly anybody makes this distinction, not even professional fitness trainers. You make the choices that introduces the body to certain types of stimuli, environment, circumstances. You can lift weights, run. You make those choices to take those actions, but the body is going to respond the way it's going to respond. This is why you want to focus on your self-control, on the choices that you are making, because that is where your power is. It's that ability to make the choices, and then the body does what it does. Make the excellent choice often enough, consistently enough, choose the healthier food, choose to exercise well, and you're going to get better results, more excellent results. The quality of your life is the quality of your choice. Your effort is to make the most excellent choice you can in the moment, regardless of the circumstances, regardless of the distractions, regardless of the disappointments of the past, or the fears of the future. The strength you need to develop is mental strength, strength of character. The challenges in life are mental challenges. They always have been. Even in the most physical endeavors, where we often break down is in our mental strength. When you focus on developing your mental strength, you will make profound changes in your life. Not minor changes, profound changes. Because this is the difference that makes the difference. It's what you choose to make things mean. So where one person may see a challenge, another person may see complete and utter defeat. Where one person chooses to quit, another chooses to go forward. And those are choices. The second distinction that I want you to keep in mind as we go forward here is that the result of the exercise is more for the brain health than it is for the health of the body. And the reason I say this is because your ability to think clearly, to focus, to concentrate, all comes down to the health of the brain. And exercise is the most important factor in brain health. Most people are aware of the physical benefits of exercise, and that's where most people finish considering what exercise is good for. It helps build muscle, burn fat, increase our cardiovascular health. It strengthens bones. It helps mitigate disease. It helps prevent disease. Type 2 diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, all kinds of physical benefits. Now, the brain is a physical organ, but it's the organ that is going to help you make more excellent choices. So when we're talking about the health of the brain, you want to have energy. You want to have focus. You want to make good choices. The thing about considering the health of the brain as you exercise is that you're going to put the focus on the most important result of exercise. The quality of your attention, focus, the speed with which your brain can function. Essentially, the ability to think clearly and well. These are the main, what I consider and what I suggest you consider the most important results of regular physical activity and exercise. When the brain is healthy, it improves mood, reduces anxiety, and helps alleviate symptoms of depression. And if you're getting up in years, exercise, when it's done often enough and at a challenging enough level, is the most important factor in slowing cognitive decline due to aging. So movement and physical activity is vital for brain health. In other words, what you use to make more excellent choices, your brain functions better as a result of you choosing to exercise. So how are you going to do that? How are you going to use exercise to learn to build the strength of your self-control and learn to make better, more excellent choices in the moment? This is where the idea of practice comes in. You're going to use the arena of health and fitness and exercise to practice making excellent choices. You're going to train yourself to make better and better choices. And that's why you make it a practice. Because over time and over many repetitions, the conscious choices become habits. And then that just becomes who you are. So that if you're struggling to make exercise a part of your life, first you have to choose to exercise. And then if you do that often enough, you'll find that choice making itself, because now that's who you are. You exercise. You don't have to think about it. It's part of who you see yourself as being. And we're going to get into that. By practicing your choices, by making more excellent choices as you go along, your self-control gets stronger, gets better, and your habits improve. And because your habits are improving, your health improves. Because again, you're going to be doing this to start through exercise. And then because you have more energy, you have more focus, you are able to think more clearly, you'll be choosing better in other areas of your life as well. You'll sleep better because your sleep habits will have improved. You'll have more energy because your eating habits will have improved. And that's all as a result of using exercise as the arena to train your self-control. Over the next 4 videos, you're going to be learning step by step how to move from these abstract concepts of self-control and excellence and what you want for your own life and how you want to be as a person, right down to the nitty-gritty details of making a choice in the moment. First, you're going to create an operating purpose. This is going to be a vision of yourself as excellent and the results that you consider excellent for yourself as well. Next, it's going to be your operating principles. From there, your operating skills. And then finally, we're going to look at your operating systems. So we're going to move from a little bit more of an abstract idea of what you want for yourself, all the way down to the nitty-gritty, in-the-moment choices that you're going to be making in one day. Because if you can make one day excellent, then you could make 2 days excellent, and then 3, and then 4, and then it's a week, and then it's a month, and a year, and then ideally, a life. The key takeaway from today's video is that the real strength that you need to face the challenges in life is mental strength. The challenges you face in life are mental challenges. They are tests of your character. And the ideal way to train your mind is with exercise. When you strengthen your mind in the gym or wherever it is you train, that's how you develop real strength, the strength that really makes a difference in your life. Next, in video 2, I'm going to show you how to define your operating purpose. See you then.